Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make these simple, easy, and delicious ground turkey stuffed bell peppers. Begin this recipe by cooking a half a cup of rice according to the package instructions. In this video, I'm actually cooking 2 cups of rice. I'm making extra rice for my daughter who doesn't like stuffed bell peppers, and just to have some plain rice on hand for other recipes. The rice I'm using is parboiled rice, and what I like about this rice is that it's less sticky than regular white rice. Now it's time to work on the filling for the peppers. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Add 1 cup of diced onion and cook it until it becomes translucent, which is about 5 minutes. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic, or if you're using the pre-minced like I did, you can use 2 teaspoons. And cook the garlic for another minute. Now be careful that your garlic doesn't burn because burnt garlic tastes disgusting, y'all. Once the garlic and the onions have cooked, add 1 pound of ground turkey to the skillet, breaking it up with a meat masher or a spoon. Cook the ground turkey until it is no longer pink, which is about 7 to 10 minutes. To flavor the meat, I'm going to use 1 package of taco seasoning. To the skillet, add 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes and 1 10.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. You'll also want to go ahead and add in your cooked rice. Stir well to combine everything and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes to blend the flavors. At this point, you may want to go ahead and taste the rice mixture to see if it needs more seasoning such as salt and pepper. For this recipe, I'm going to use 5 large green bell peppers, but feel free to use any color of your choice. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes. If necessary, slice a tiny bit off the bottom to make them stand upright, but be careful not to create a hole. Now I decided to leave the bottoms alone because I knew I would probably screw that part up and create a hole and just have a mess in the end, so I just left a few of mine lopsided. Place the bell peppers in a baking dish standing upright. Fill each bell pepper with the turkey and rice mixture. Spray or drizzle oil over the tops of the stuffed peppers. Cover the baking dish with foil and cook for about 30 minutes in a preheated 375-degree oven. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until the peppers are tender and slightly browned on top. You can certainly cook the peppers for a longer period of time if you find that the bell peppers aren't tender enough. Garnish with my Cilantro Slaw, and I linked that video in the description box below, or with fresh parsley if desired. All right, Millie, show the world what you were just doing. This is gonna be your what bite? Your fourth, fifth?
Something like that.
Something like that. And when I told her that this is what we were having, what did you say?
No.
You didn't want it, did you? You complained, didn't you? You're like, ew, I don't like tomatoes. Right?
Yeah.
I don't like bell peppers. If somebody likes it, that makes my mama heart happy.
Goodbye.
Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make this. Join me today as I show you how to make these simple, easy, those are synonyms, aren't they? Simple, easy, delicious. Hey y'all, join me today as I show you how to make these simple, easy, and delicious ground Hey y'all. That's gonna slip. Oh, no. Oh no. I'm losing it. Oh goodness. Okay.
Grab the tongs. Grab the tongs.
Where are those at? Dang it.